The role of the academic library has really changed a lot in those years. Obviously, everybody thinks about the digital revolution, and there's some obvious things. We have online journals have pretty much replaced print journals. The e-book is coming on very strong. I think the two changes that I see as really big are the proliferation of information that's happened. Things like Wikipedia is a good example. That there's so much information out there in so many different ways that it can be presented, that libraries used to be sort of a monopoly in that if you wanted to get information for free, you had to go to a library to get it. That's the place where free information existed. Libraries have to compete for the attention, which is a good thing. Competition can be really good. In a lot of ways, it's been really good because we have to get out there and get our message out and be more proactive than we were 25 years ago when we were really the only game in town. The other thing that's really changing, and this is something that's fairly recent, and I think it's going to be really profound, is that everybody now, faculty, researchers, graduate students, undergraduates, staff, are information creators in a way that they weren't before. So a role of the library in the academic library is to also be a source of preserving and curating that information so that it doesn't just disappear. You don't want somebody's life work as a faculty member to just go away when they retire and turn off their desktop computer. Students should be able to have a place, and we do provide places like this to put their scholarly work in a place where it can be found and used by others and appreciated by others. And then, of course, we get into faculty data, which is another whole area of curation and preservation libraries involved in that didn't really exist 25, 30 years ago. The article was the data. Well, now you've got the article and the data, and that data might be really valuable. Is that information still going to be interesting in 25 years, 50 years, 100 years, 500 years? It might very well be, because it creates a baseline for future researchers to work on. So that information should be preserved and should be put in a place where it can be found and not just disappear when whatever machine you happen to have it on finally goes down.